Hi friends, I'm Gina with Country Family Values and I'm glad you're here. Today we're making Oreo mud pie, or maybe you know it as Oreo dirt cake. Anyway, let's do it. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm taking a package of Oreo cookies. This pack is a 15.35 ounce and I'm going to run them through the food processor. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour my cookie crust in here. Ooh, making a mess. Spread it out. It's kind of noisy, isn't it? Okay, so I'm making chocolate. That's the reason why I'm calling it a mud pie, because I mean that's what I'm going to put on top of this. Some people, you know, there's variations. You can make it with French vanilla. You can make it with vanilla. I'm going to use the quick version today because it's for a birthday and I want to try to get it thrown together pretty quick. But you could make homemade chocolate pudding. But if you do, just keep in mind that on top of this is going to go a packet of Cool Whip, and you don't want it to melt it. So make sure you cool it before you throw it all together. Okay, so I'm going to prepare this according to directions. This particular pack calls for 3 cups of milk and then a package of this, and it's really quick to throw together. This is one of the easiest desserts to make for any kind of gathering or get together, and people really like it. So I've reserved some of the crumbs here to put on the top. You can, or you don't have to do it that way. And I've also put a little in a little side dish, in a clear side dish, so that you guys can kind of see the layers. Some people call this a chocolate lasagna. So I guess I really don't know where this originated from. It's something that we've done for a long time. In fact, even the kiddos in my family used to really like this, to have like gummy worms served on the top, because we called it a dirt cake, see? And that was just funny to them, I guess. If you guys like it to be thicker, I mean, I guess you could even make more than just one package. This particular package of chocolate pudding is, it's a 5.9 ounce box, and it called for 3 cups of milk, so it makes about 3 cups of pudding. Now I'm going to spread a tub of Cool Whip. This Cool Whip is an 8 ounce tub of Cool Whip, so I'm going to spread it on top. And I like to put it in globs around it so that maybe I can smear it without the chocolate pulling up. Sprinkle it, some Oreos on the top. Looks like I pulled out a little more than I wanted. I love Cool Whip. I could just sit and eat that by itself. Okay. So I'm going to give this a try for you guys in this little individual one that I've made. One of mine and my family's favorites. Awesome. Be kind to one another. Thanks for watching.